Create garden decor, landscape design ideas. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are dividing into the world of garden decor and landscape design. Where we explore innovative ideas to spur you up outdoor space, whether you are gardening or just looking elevate your cup appeal. We will go to cover. Let's jump right in. If you like these ideas, please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. First up, let's talk about garden decor. It's all about adding personality and charm to your outdoor occasion. A few ideas to get you started. Add a touch of elegance with a sculpture or statues. Divide your garden into functional zones such as a dining areas, lounging spots, and play areas for kids. This creates a scene of organization and makes the most of your space. Now craft native plants into your landscape design. Not only are they low maintenance, but they also attract local wildlife and promote biodiversity. Bring tranquility to your garden with the water features such as a fountain, pond, or waterfall. The sound of flowing water adds a soothing element to your outdoor environment. So don't forget like, share, subscribe for more tips and tricks about garden. Until next time, happy gardening. Thanks for watching.